Hey Michael, do you have a favorite national holiday?
Hi, Anna. Yes, I really enjoy Independence Day on July 4th. What about you?
I love it too. I like watching the fireworks and having a picnic with my family.
Same here. My family usually has a barbecue, and at night, we go to the park to see the fireworks show.
That sounds fun. I also like Thanksgiving. It's a special day to be with family and eat good food.
Yes, I love Thanksgiving dinner. Turkey, mashed potatoes, stuffing, and pumpkin pie. So delicious.
My mom and I cook together. We also watch the Thanksgiving parade on TV in the morning.
Oh yes, that's a nice tradition. Do you celebrate Memorial Day too?
Yes, we usually go to a parade or visit the cemetery. It's a day to remember soldiers who died for the country.
That's true. And I also enjoy it because it's the start of summer. We sometimes go to the beach.
Do you do anything special for Labor Day?
Not really, but it's a good day to relax. Sometimes we have a small family trip before school starts again.
My family does something similar. We enjoy one last summer day together.
What about New Year's Eve?
Oh, I love it. We stay up until midnight, watch the ball drop in New York on TV, and make New Year's resolutions.
Same here. I always say, I'll exercise more, but I never do.
Me too. But it's fun to make plans for the new year.
I think holidays are important. They help families spend time together and celebrate.
I agree. Every holiday has its own meaning and traditions.
Maybe next holiday we can do something fun together.
That would be great. Let's plan something soon.